Sleep, A Mind Guide to Parkinson's Disease by the Parkinsons Foundation. Narrated by Rashida A. Marshall and Justin Sewall.
About this audiobook. Sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Unfortunately, problems with sleep and alertness are common in Parkinson's disease, or PD. It is likely that you will experience poor sleep and/or impaired daytime alertness at some point in the course of your disease. Maybe you already have. These problems can have a big impact on your quality of life, as well as significant safety implications. For example, if you get sleepy while driving. There are many causes of sleep problems in PD, but they are often underreported by people with Parkinson's and caregivers and underrecognized by healthcare professionals. Consider this your practical guide for achieving good sleep health. This audiobook addresses healthy sleep, sleep changes due to aging, and sleep problems due to Parkinson's, as well as diagnosis, treatment, and coping strategies. The information, tips, and stories included here will provide answers, help you organize thoughts and questions for your medical team, and remind you that you are not alone on this Parkinson's journey. A comprehensive Parkinson's disease glossary can be found at parkinson.org/glossary.
Chapter 1. About Parkinson's Disease. If you're listening to this audiobook, you're probably already familiar with Parkinson's disease. But here are some basics. Parkinson's is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that affects about 1 million people in the United States and 10 million worldwide. It is called a movement disorder because of the tremors, slow movements, stiffness, and muscle cramping it can cause. But its symptoms are diverse and usually develop slowly over time. Parkinson's disease is not diagnosed with a test or a scan. Instead, it is diagnosed by a neurologist who asks you questions about your health and medical history and observes your movement. Your doctor may want you to have some tests or imaging. Some, like an MRI, can help rule out other conditions, while others, like DAT scan, may help confirm a Parkinson's diagnosis if there is uncertainty. The goal of treatment is to help you manage your symptoms. Good symptom management can help you to stay healthy, exercise, and keep yourself in the best possible shape. Although at this time there is no way to correct the brain changes that cause Parkinson's, we know that exercise can help you maintain your ability to fight the disease, and that staying healthy can reduce setbacks that make PD progress faster. Great care is an important part of living your best life with Parkinson's. Lack of dopamine in people with Parkinson's was first described in the 1960s. Dopamine is a type of neurotransmitter, or chemical messenger, one of the several chemicals your brain cells use to send signals to one another. Soon after, dopamine replacement therapy using levodopa became, and remains, the gold standard treatment. However, we know that the dopamine system is not the only one affected by Parkinson's. The disease process also disrupts other brain networks, including those linked to mood, behavior, and thinking, cognition. You might also hear that Parkinson's is linked to a protein in the human brain called alpha-synuclein. Researchers continue to study how cells and brain networks are affected in Parkinson's to improve our understanding of the disease and potential for treatments. You and your family may have questions or fears about Parkinson's and genetics. While there are several genetic mutations that can increase your risk, for the vast majority of people, Parkinson's is not inherited. There is no test that can accurately predict who will develop Parkinson's. Extensive gene and biomarker research is underway to uncover the possible factors involved in, not necessarily causes of, disease development.
Sleep and Parkinson's. James Parkinson, an English surgeon, provided the initial description of the disease
Sample complete. Ready to continue?